Hi and welcome to this instructional video. In this video I'm going to show you how to receive items back from repair in the Complete CRO window. Navigate to Workshop, Internal Customer Repair Orders, then to Complete CRO. Enter or select the appropriate CRO number in the CRO number text box. Click on the Items at Suppliers tab. Select the appropriate item and click the Receive button. Enter the supplier invoice number in the supplier invoice number text box if applicable. Enter the invoice amount in the invoice amount text box if applicable. Click the Accept button. Click the Accept button again to save the changes. Print the workshop delivery note by specifying the print options and clicking the OK button, or click the Cancel button to close the window. And that's how you receive an item back from repair in the Complete CRO window. Thank you for watching and happy accounting.